I'm gonna start my journey of taste in today's episode with this huge Bahubali dosa.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
This Bahubali dosa, along with this sambar and amazing chutneys, awesome.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and with the girls be.
This Bahubali dosa is one of my top recommendations in the Bhopal city. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having an amazing day. I'm in Bhopal and you are watching the Journey of Taste. This city is one of the most beautiful cities of central India, known as the City of Lakes, capital of Madhya Pradesh, the central province of India.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and with the girls be.
There are so many beautiful lakes over here,
Yankee Doodle, keep
a lot of
it up.
greenery,
Yankee Doodle
nice roads,
dandy.
neat and clean city.
Mind the step and with the girls be handy.
As far as the food is concerned, this city offers a variety of food over here. When I was trying to find the local food over here, I found a food joint called Sharma and Vishnu. This is basically a fast food joint, but they have all sorts of food over here. They have North Indian food, they have South Indian food, they have local Chinese food over here, and they have got amazing drinks over here. In today's episode, I'm gonna have a Sunday brunch over here. Check out what kind of food items are available at Sharma and Vishnu in the Bhopal city of Madhya Pradesh.
A feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and with the girls be.
Two gentlemen over here with me are the founders of this amazing food joint called Sharma and Vishnu, Mr. Vishnu Sharma and Mr. Ramu Sharma. विष्णु जी, मुझे सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे पैदा हुआ, कहाँ से ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपका ओरिजिनेट हुआ कि आपने एक ऐसा ब्रांड बनाया जिसके अंदर आप लोकल चाइनीज स्ट्रीट फूड भी सेल करते हैं और उसके बाद आपके पास नॉर्थ इंडियन से लेके साउथ इंडियन तक का हर तरह का फूड है. शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई?
एक्चुअली शुरुआत तो पहले 2000 से स्टार्ट हुई थी. पहले हम लोग होटल में जॉब करते थे दोनों भाई. तो एक मन में ऐसा था कि कुछ अपना करना है, तो हमने 2000 से एक स्टार्ट करिए, एक ठेले से शुरुआत करिए. भाई ने दूसरी जगह करी, मैंने दूसरी जगह करी. शुरू में तो लोग आते नहीं थे, पहचानते नहीं थे, यार एक दो इंतजार करते रहे. फिर धीरे 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 2-3 साल बाद मतलब जो लोगों को टेस्ट लगने लगा, हमें ये कारवां चलता गया. फिर भीड़ लगने लगी, तो फिर सोचा कि नहीं अब ठेले से कुछ एक्सपैंड करें. तो 2010 में एक 7 नंबर वाले जगह पे एक मैंने आउटलेट खोली. फिर 2011 में भैया ने प्लेटिनम प्लाजा में एक आउटलेट डाली है. दोनों ने, एक शर्मा चाइनीज करके, एक विष्णु चाइनीज करके. तो उसके बाद वहाँ भी थोड़ा लोगों का प्यार अच्छा मिलने लगा. तो लगा कि नहीं, कुछ पहले कि हम लोग चाइनीज ही बेचते थे. फिर धीरे धीरे नहीं, अब खाना तो सभी चीज़ हमको नॉलेज था. क्वालिटी, हाइजीन कैसे मैनेज करना है, कैसे अपने को ग्राहक के साथ करना है. तो हम दोनों के साथ ऐसा रहा कि बिल्कुल प्यार, भोपाल के लोगों का बहुत ही प्यार रहा. तो हमने सोचा कि कुछ एक इसको एक्सपेंड करते. तो 2013 में हम दोनों भाइयों ने एक ज्वाइंट वेंचर एक कंपनी बनाई. उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे करते करते आज यहाँ तक.
Mr. Vishnu Sharma told me that they have started selling local Chinese food in a cart way back in 2001. In 2001, when they started selling the street food on the streets of Bhopal, and the people of Bhopal, they started liking the version of Indian Chinese food, and then they got an idea to have a brand which can serve all sorts of Indian food in the city of Bhopal for the residents of Bhopal city. In 2010, they have come up with this brand called Sharma and Vishnu. Today in Bhopal city, This brand is known as the most famous brand which serves the variety of food from North Indian to South Indian food, and they have got specialized in Chinese food. जो चाइनीज फूड आपने शुरुआत की थी जिसकी, जो आप ठेले पे बेचा करते थे शुरुआत के अंदर 2001 के अंदर, वो बेसिकली इंडियन चाइनीज था, क्योंकि भारत में जो भी चाइनीज फूड हमें मिलता है वो ऑथेंटिक चाइनीज नहीं होता है, उसको हम थोड़ा इंडियनाइज कर देते हैं, इंडियन मसाले उसमें ऐड कर देते हैं।
हमने 2000 में जब हमने ठेले की शुरुआत की थी,
हाँ, हाँ।
भोपाल में छोले टिक्की वगैरह ये सब फेमस थी।
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
उस समय हमने ये विदेशी चाइनीज करके ऐसा कुछ फूड है हमने यहाँ दिया,
हाँ,
क्योंकि भोपाल के लोगों को उस समय कांटा जो पकड़ने की हमको वो याद है, आता नहीं था, तो हाथ से चाउमीन जो देते थे।
हाँ, हाँ,
तो धीरे धीरे इसको हमने फिर चाइनीज छोड़ के इंडियन मसाले में उसको रिमेज करके तो भोपाल के जितने कस्टमर है उनको दिया। धीरे धीरे सबका प्यार मिलते गया। आज जो भोपाल में 7 आउटलेट जो है रनिंग में है, तो 3 आउटलेट जो है अभी तैयारी में है, जो कि 2-3-4 महीने में शुरू हो जाएगा।
Right now they have got 7 outlets in Bhopal city, and they are coming up with 3 more outlets in coming months. So probably they'll be having 10 outlets by the end of this year in Bhopal city only. विष्णु जी, मुझे बताइए कि आज की डेट में जो आपके पास यहाँ पर फूड आइटम्स अवेलेबल हैं, उसमें से ऐसे कौन से आइटम्स हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर हैं, लोग बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं?
एक्चुअली क्या है सर, अभी तो पॉपुलर तो बहुत सारे चीजें हैं। एक हमारा चाइनीज में अगर देखें तो चाइनीज में हमारा क्रिस्पी नूडल सबसे ज्यादा
Crispy
फेमस
noodle,
है। और अभी साउथ इंडियन में हमने एक बाहुबली डोसा और पनीर मखनी डोसा करा है। ये भी बहुत ही आजकल लोगों को बहुत ही ज्यादा, एक तो बहुत ही फेमस है। पनीर कुलचा, पास्ता और कोल्ड कॉफी, और ये डोसा वगैरह में सबसे ज्यादा सेलिंग हमारी यही है।
Okay. As you said, they have got variety of items over here. I've already tasted their cold coffee. They have amazing cold coffee. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you so much.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and
Hi guys, my name is Divya and I'm here at Sharma Vishnu and I'm eating the veg cheese pasta. The best thing about this veg cheese pasta is it's full of cheese, cream and it's very spicy and I love it. So do try it at Sharma Vishnu veg cheese pasta.
Keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
I'm gonna start my journey of taste in today's episode with this huge Bahubali dosa. This Bahubali dosa having a lot of cheese in it, beautifully decorated in this tray, along with sambar and chutneys.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
Coconut chutney,
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
sambar, and this is South Indian chutney.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
This Bahubali dosa along with this sambar and amazing chutneys. Awesome. There is pasta inside this dosa. There are corns. There are so many other ingredients, onions, capsicum, and a lot of cheese. Amazing. I never expected to have this kind of dosa anywhere in India. This is basically a fusion of Italian pasta and South Indian dosa. The combination is very unique, but the taste is awesome.
Mind the music and the step, and with
This Bahubali dosa is one of my top recommendations in the Bhopal city. Whenever you visit Bhopal, this is a must visit place, Sharma and Vishnu, to have this Bahubali dosa.
Mind the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
Now I have on my table a paneer tikka masala sandwich. Again, a fusion of Indian paneer tikka along with the sandwich. I can see a lot of cheese over here. This looks so tempting.
Mind the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
Inside the sandwich, there is a filling of paneer tikka masala coated with a lot of cheese. Delicious.
Mind the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
After having an amazing Bahubali dosa and paneer tikka masala sandwich, now I have on my table the North Indian kulcha along with chole, the chickpeas curry and paneer ki sabzi, little bit of achar and salad.
Mind the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
The kulcha is an Indian bread made in the clay oven.
Music and the step and with the girls be handy.
I can see a lot of butter on this kulcha along with this the chickpeas sabzi, the chickpeas curry you can call it.
Mind the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
Paneer ki sabzi, the cottage cheese curry, salad along with the typical Indian pickle which is called achar.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown.
Let me try this kulcha with this chickpeas curry first.
Mind the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
And there was Captain
Now the
Washington
cottage cheese
and
curry.
gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle.
Indian
handy.
pickle
Mind the music
called achar.
and the step and with the girls be handy.
I am truly in love with this North Indian kulcha. Amazing. The chickpeas curry is little bit spicy because they have put a lot of spices in it along with garam masala and other Indian spices, made it a little hot, a little more spicy. But this paneer ki sabzi is not at all spicy. It has a little bit sweetness in it. The kind of masala they have prepared for this cottage cheese curry is a little sweet.
Mind the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
Awesome. I'm gonna complete this episode of the Journey of Taste with this amazing cold coffee. I've heard that everybody who comes in this restaurant, everybody orders this cold coffee because this cold coffee of Sharma and Vishnu is very, very popular in the city.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it
Amazing. That's it for this episode. In next episode, I'll take you to some other food giant. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. You are watching The Journey of Taste on Network 15.